In this video, I will show you how you can turn on voice to text on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, on your Samsung phone, just open Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, just scroll down and tap on Keyboard. Now from here, just make sure you enable the toggle for Show Input Method button on the navigation bar. Now just enable this toggle. And after you do that, then on this page, just make sure you enable the toggle for Google Voice Typing. Now after you enable both of these options, then just go back and tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. On this page, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Voice Input. Now from here, instead of None, either select Google Voice Typing or Samsung Voice Input. Now just select either of them. Now if you go to your home screen and if you open the keyboard, you will find the voice to text or the voice typing option on the keyboard of your Samsung phone. Now for example, if you find this keyboard icon instead of the microphone icon, just tap and hold on this icon and select voice input. Now if you tap on this microphone icon, you will be able to type using your voice on your Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.